Getting great video is easy with your DJI Osmo Pocket, but without the right mic settings, your audio can sound weak or noisy. Many users miss these simple tweaks. With just a few changes, you can capture clear, professional quality sound. Here are the 3 best microphone settings you should use. Number 1. Directional audio. This is your most powerful tool. First, turn on your camera. Now, swipe left from the right side of the screen. Make sure to select Pro option here. Then tap on the microphone icon to open the audio settings. After that, tap on Directional Audio. It will switch the options by tapping, like front and back and all. Front is used for vlogging and interviews where the subject is in front of the camera. The camera will prioritize audio from the front, reducing side and rear noise. And if you select front and back, then this is appropriate for capturing a conversation between the camera operator and a subject behind them. Lastly, all. This is used for ambient recordings, such as the sounds of a bustling city, a concert, or nature. Number 2. Wind noise control. Turn on your camera, now swipe left from the right side of the screen. Make sure to select Pro option here. Then tap on the microphone icon to open the audio settings. Here you will see an option for wind noise reduction. Tap to turn it on. This feature analyzes the audio signal in real time and intelligently filters out the low-frequency noise caused by wind. Number 3. Stereo versus mono. Turn on your camera. Now swipe left from the right side of the screen. Make sure to select Pro option here. Then tap on the microphone icon to open the audio settings. After that, tap on Channel. Here, change channel by tapping. You can change between stereo and mono. Stereo is recommended for a richer, more immersive sound. It records audio from both the left and right channels, and mono combines all audio into a single channel. And that's it. These 3 settings can give you high-quality audio sound. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.